Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects more and more people as they age: cataracts. While surgery is a common option, it's not without its complications and side effects. So, in this video, we'll explore a natural route that could potentially help preserve your vision with minimal downsides. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Part 1. Understanding cataracts and the role of oxidative stress. First, let's discuss cataracts and the role of oxidative stress in their development. Cataracts are caused by the clouding of the lens, and one major factor contributing to this condition is high blood sugar levels. When blood sugar is elevated, it creates oxidative stress, much like rusting metal. As we age, our bodies produce fewer endogenous antioxidants to counter this damage, making the eyes more vulnerable. So, it's crucial to understand how to protect against oxidative stress. Part 2. Harnessing the power of plant pigments. Mother Nature has provided us with various plants that contain potent antioxidants, particularly in the form of plant pigments. Carotenoids, such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, are found in yellow, orange, red, and purple vegetables, as well as grass-fed meat and organic eggs. These pigments have shown positive effects on eye health, including reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Another group of pigments, anthocyanins, found in red, purple, and blue fruits like bilberries, blueberries, and chokeberries, have been linked to decreased cataract risk and potential reversal when caught early. Part 3. The cataract fighting shake. Now, let's move on to a natural remedy that combines the power of berries and kefir, a fermented milk product. Berries, rich in anthocyanins, and kefir, containing dietary calcium and probiotics, create a potent mix for maintaining healthy eyes. Simply blend 1 cup of berries with 1 cup of grass-fed whole milk kefir to create a delicious shake. If the kefir is too thick, you can add some water to adjust the consistency. Consume this shake once a day, and you'll be giving your eyes a natural boost. Part 4. Dietary considerations and other remedies. In addition to the cataract fighting shake, it's important to maintain a diet low in sucrose and fructose. Avoiding milk due to lactose content is recommended, but fermented milk products like kefir are better alternatives. Another supplement you can consider is N-acetylcarnosine, NAC, in drop form, specifically designed to penetrate the eye and reduce cataract formation. Additionally, incorporating runny egg yolks into your diet provides carotenoids, anthocyanins, and choline, which can benefit your eye health. Part 5. Dealing with complications and post-surgical care. If you already have cataracts and experience complications, there are options to help. Consider using Oculotrophin PMG from Standard Process, a product that supports post-surgical care and helps with eye damage or injuries. However, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us today to explore natural remedies for cataracts. While scientific studies may be limited due to the nature of natural remedies, the power of plant pigments and the benefits they provide are worth considering. Remember, to make informed choices about your eye health and explore natural alternatives that can complement traditional treatments. By incorporating a cataract fighting shake, maintaining a healthy diet, and considering supplements like NAC, you can take proactive steps to support your vision. It's essential to understand that natural remedies may not work for everyone or in every case. If you have existing cataracts or experience severe symptoms, it's crucial to consult with an eye care professional for a comprehensive evaluation and guidance. We hope this information has been helpful in shedding light on natural approaches to support your eye health. Remember, prevention and early intervention are key. Stay tuned for more informative videos on health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who may find it beneficial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.